Welcome to our administrative team's informational and welcome segment ahead of the McGee School Open House program to be held on September 10th, 2024. First of all, thanks for helping us get the school off to a smooth start. We value your partnership and appreciate your support. As you know, the Open House event is designed to provide you with an opportunity to meet the adults who are dedicated to supporting the academic and social emotional growth of your children. During the program, you'll learn about course requirements, teacher beliefs, school-wide values, available support, and ways that families can help foster a positive school experience. It's my pleasure to introduce Assistant Principal Devin Constant. Mr. Constant?
Thank you, Mr. Urso. At McGee, our faculty serves approximately 602 students on 6 academic teams. We are proud to offer every student a range of core and exploratory courses, including Quest, STEAM, and exciting digital research and media literacy offerings, access to a personal Chromebook, and an opportunity to make music, play sports, and socialize with friends during a grade-level lunch period. Students should listen carefully to daily announcements for after-school events like student council or clubs such as gaming, yearbook, school newspaper, and math counts. Please welcome McGee's Dean of Students, Mrs. Abby Frobe.
Thank you, Mr. Constant. To support clear communication, we encourage families to use the PowerSchool Parent Portal to monitor student progress and contact your child's teacher should there be any questions. Our caring and talented staff will be happy to help. Also, please remember that phones, smartwatches, and Bluetooth headphones should be stored in lockers and turned off during the school hours to maximize learning time. If you need help navigating the building during the program, please ask a staff member or use the attached map. Please remember to follow the Day 6 schedule. Mr. Urso?
In closing, we hope you find the program informative and look forward to your partnership and a successful school year. Enjoy the evening.